Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel and tap the icon for all latest videos. Hey guys, welcome to the CCNA series Day 1 class. Today we will talk about types of routers. See guys, today we will learn types of routers, about router in packet tracer, the router basics and practice, and commands of router. Let's see one by one guys. So guys, we are going to discuss about router types, right? And basic of lab, that is a basic practical we are going to discuss today. So let's start. Routers are divided into different types. As we know, first one is a wired router. See, in wired router, it is a typically box-shaped device that connect directly to computer with wired connections. Means in this we have a wired connection. Whereas in the wireless router, using wireless means without wire. If you want to connect to computers or if you want to mobile phone computers, all the routers we are using a switch, then Ethernet cable. Whereas we are connecting a laptops and our computers in wired routers, whereas in the wireless router we are using a wireless connection. So here Wi-Fi to connect to the router to access to internet. Here I am describing here something. It is a Ethernet cable to connect the computer to a router. Okay, and like one end is connected to the router and another is connected to switch and then to the computer. Means I am saying that I have here router and from router connected to switch, from switch we are connecting to PC. So this is a PC1 PC2 like that. Here also PC. So that this is a wide router connection. Will go and then it is connected to another router. Example small so I'm think it support the NAT, that is network address translator and technology, which allow multiple computer to the small IP address. Example, if you take the one IP like from the service provider, it will work. So this is wide router. Just basically you remember wide one. We need to connect the Ethernet cable to access the internet or to access the different server. Whereas wireless router, it's similar to wired router, connects directly to a modem via cable for receiving internet data packet. So wireless router distribute data packets using one or more antenna. The router converts that data packets using one or more antennas. So the router converts the that converts data packets which are written in binary code like zeros and ones into radio signals, which antenna broadcast wirelessly. A machine with a wireless receiver can then receive these radio signals and convert them back into binary code, etc. Same like a wide router which established a wide local area and LAN, and wireless router establishes wide local area. Basically we use remember in wired router Ethernet cable to connect. In wireless we use the RF signal to receive the signal from our router to PC. We use our and we use our wireless cord, that is LAN cord will be our Wi-Fi. Coming to core router, which may be wide or wireless, any type of router which is used for internet data packet within the network. Within the network, this is the keyword we remember within the network. So core router use within the network. So coming to fourth one, edge router. See, edge router is a wide or a wireless router that distributes internet data packets between one or more networks, but not distribute data packets with a network. So observe the guys here, edge router is opposite to core router. Coming to fifth one, virtual router. Virtual router is also called as logical router. Example, we have a SHRC, VRRP. We are going to discuss that in our core. We have these also. Unlike physical router, virtual router, that is logical router. For redundancy, like example, I will here. I have this router and it is connected to switch, and then from switch PC here. So what we will do, configure SHRP. If router in this we will create a logical router in between two router, like if any router go down, then the router starts working. We will see, this is our course RP and VRRP I will discuss in coming videos. So now just remember, in we have a router, wide router, which we use Ethernet cable to connect wireless router, and core router, edge router, virtual router, and then we will discuss. So what is a router? A router interconnects a different network, or in simple way we can say a switch is used to connect devices with a network, whereas a router is used to connect different networks. So guys, router it works on layer 3 network layer, and it choose the best path. It perform routing. In packet tracer, now I am open here. From there I start working. So now I will take one computer here. See, I am taking one computer. I am going to here, I am taking one more here. See, this is a computer I taken, and one more computer. Now uh, take cable, select this cable. Automatically it will decide the similar device. I connected here. Okay, now we need to connect the IP address to the this computer. So 192.168.1.1, and copy this IP address. I need to assign the IP address to this computer. How going to assign IP address to the computer? We need to here double click on that, and here then we have to like this window, and I zoom in this window and go in desktop. Then here the IP configuration. This is the basic. That's I'm going slowly, guys. I'm showing you everything in coming practical. We will do directly. Okay, so I will click here. So I will go here. I will assign the IP address. Then I will click. See, in copy the IP address. Again I will click, and subnet box will come automatically. Then I will close the window. So IP address to this computer came. uh, we need to do first we'll rename the IP address. First we rename the IP address to this computer. I am assigning the IP address. Let me open the command prompt, guys. Here, see the command prompt. In the command prompt, the IP address and all the replacer came here. See, so now I will do opposite. Open that. So the I will ping PC 192.168.1.1. See, the computer communicate this one. I let go here. If I change the IP address, example, instead of I write 10, let me 20. Okay, they are different network. Let me rename here. So need coming for slow for, you can see here. Now they are both are in different network. If I ping, it will not work. Okay, before it work. Now let me try, see, because both we are pinging 10.2, right? So we need to ping what is an IP address, which is IP address, right? 20.2. We need to ping 20.2, not the 1.2. So let me ping. So me ping again here the 20.2. I need to ping 20.2 become the IP is 20.2. I will go here the 20.2. Okay, here see this is IP address 20.2. We assign request to timeout, guys. So computer A cannot ping to the computer B because both different networks. Okay, so to avoid these problem, this type of avoid problem, we will use the router here, so they can communicate each other. So I will take here, see here, click these, then select any like router. I will take this is the router. I will drop here. Guys. And what we'll do, I will take the one switch, and this switch is put switch here, and let me connect these cable. So I will connect, guys, cable from here to the switch and again to the switch, and then from the switch we will connect to the switch to these port. Okay, disconnect this like example this one we can connect directly also. I am taking switch. If we have one more PC, we can use switch. We can take a standard switch. I am taking switch. I will take one laptop. See, I will take one laptop, and here one more laptop here. Okay, so I am takes three laptops. So I am connecting to these here this laptop. Here I here three laptops. So I will connect here from where to. Okay, after that example we will mix some design, something look, something nice. See and observe the, guys, everything you can observe here, and design something look, add color, set. So here example we will mix the design, something look attractive. So understand, I will go here and add colors. So to look so here add colors, set look nice. I will draw this here like this. Let me take the color. So select the color. I am taking this color, and so this is the color for one department, or and the green is the sales department, the yellow is the HR department. So for example, what we'll do, we are using the network 162.168.1.1. so let me choose we are here 1.2. We are going to give the IP addresses to the router. Also 1.2, here I will copy these. I will copy, see and observe, guys, and I will paste here. I write the computer here 1.2, then here I will be 1.3. and any doubts, still no issue, right? Just we something just now how I assign the IP address. I'm doing something just like changing the like B to 4. Okay, I will do slowly, don't worry. I will go desktop here. I will go desktop. I will paste finish. Okay, so I have three here, three computers, right? That is 192.168.1.2 here, and 1.3 here, and 1.4 here. We have 20. So I will take this. We need already assign this IP, right? Check here, and we already assigned the 20.2. so we will go here, and let me rename 20 dot 3. So I rename. So let me here the copy, and then I will go inside the laptop here, then I will paste. Okay, then I will paste. So something we will do the another laptop, and here I will write the 4. Here I will write the 4, guys, and I will copy this one. This is just basic introduction, don't worry, we will do this again, similar lab do again, don't worry if you did not understand, and if you have any issue, don't worry, this is a basic, we will do again, no issue. Okay, and I will write the 10.1.1 because this port assign sales department, and port whatever the IP is taking, we need to keep the here. Okay, and here what I do, I will keep here, you understand, this is 192.168.1.1 for 1, and here 20.2, here 20.2 we are using 20.2 here. So 20.1, so this is the IP, this is example. If I say this is the gateway for all the computer. What is the gateway? Gateway is the entry and exit of the network, or entry and exit point. So this computer wants to go, or any place we need to pass here, so this is the gateway, right? This is the gateway for all the computer, this is the gateway all. So I what I need to do, I need to do go inside whatever we have to gateway, default gateway, we have to write this IP for all computer. Any question, any doubts you have, right? Comments, and don't worry, again we are going to this one, this is the first introduction, this is the basic, we will have issue understand this. Don't worry guys, slowly I am how I am assigning using this one. If you have any doubts, you can write to me the comment box and we will solve, okay? So this is the lab we are doing, maybe second video, okay?